Welcome to my channel, Dr. Munshi Nasser, Skilled on How are you, my dear learners? In this video, I'm going to talk about how to use AI ethically. Now, back in days, people use AI without referring the AI use, and what happened when they submit their research article to a journal, and journal find out that there is a huge AI presence in your research article, and therefore the journal decks reject your research article. Now, in order to avoid that, in previous days, in I think recent days, I submitted 3 or 4 research articles, and while I'm submitting, I have seen that journal already given us some instruction regarding how to use AI and what percentage of AI we should use. For example, if you want to use AI, and you know the different videos I have shared with you in my channel, there are a lot of AIs, free AIs are there. So you can use AI, there is no harm. But you have to maintain the journal's instruction. Some of the journals, it says that you need to mention the specific sections that you have used AI, especially the literature review, introduction, discussion, results. These are the areas you need to address, that what are the percentage of the section are composed by you through the AI. It is very important that you mention in the manuscript at the upfront or before the referencing section. This is number one. Number two is sometimes what happen, you can also add AI as your co-author. Interesting, right? Many of the journals, they allow AI as your co-author. So you become the first author and AI become your second author or co-author. And the percentage of AI that you have used, you can obviously mention that yes, this percentage of AI I have used in my research article. With the help of AI, I developed this research paper. Now, these are the two important things that you keep in mind, because now AI use throughout the research community accelerating, and therefore the detection of AI is higher in different particular journals. And they said that if you use without mentioning or highlighting the AI use in your research manuscript, your paper will not be go through the review process. It will be Dex reject, and therefore there are a lot of articles that you are getting Dex rejected due to this AI presence. So there is no harm, but just to mention that how many percentage that in which section you have used your AI. Now there are two ways you can avoid the higher percentage of AI. Number one, that before writing your research article, you need to focus that whether your research article is a theoretical article or empirical article. In my opinion, most of the journals, they are looking for empirical or applied research. And those empirical and applied research are based on pure data. So now once you collect the data from secondary source or primary data collection, you can focus only on data analysis, its results, its discussion, and how it actually contributes to the literature, and maybe related to its mathematical theory. And that is all you need to write in the research paper. There is no need to write 6,000, 7,000, 8,000 words for a manuscript, because nowadays the smaller is better. So if you write 3 to 4,000 or maximum 5,000 research article, 5,000 words research article based on the analysis, particularly focusing on the data, mathematical equations, okay, your paper, I can assure your paper can get accepted very quickly as compared to any other theoretical paper. Now, I don't say that theoretical paper don't get accepted. Yes, they get accepted. But remember, theoretical paper, you need to focus that what are the way you are designing it. For example, if it is a systematic literature review, are you following the protocol? If it is a meta-analysis, are you following the protocol? That is very important, that even if it's a systematic review or meta-analysis, you need to follow the protocol properly. If you do that, then your paper can get published very quickly. Because in my channel, I have discussed about meta-analysis paper. You can always go through those videos to understand the meta-analysis paper, how you can design it. But for this video, you need to remember, for theoretical paper, systematic review and meta-analysis, these two options, you need to follow the protocol. But I tell you a secret that in my experience, if you only focus on the data analysis and mathematical equations and avoiding lots of writing narratives, then there will be less AI presence and you will be more original, writing original work. And journals are more interested to know about what is the outcome of your analysis. Okay. And those papers are getting published very quickly nowadays. So I believe in this video, how to use AI ethically is very important. And secondly, remember, my dear learners, focus on the empirical paper more to get your paper published quickly. And if you are following a theoretical paper, of course, follow the protocol. Thank you so much, my dear learners. I will share more interesting videos in future days. Until then, bye bye.